artists, I'm excited to finish our Jeff Koons balloon project. So last week we did a background that had some kind of greenery, maybe bushes and stuff in the front of our project. And then we put some city buildings and some clouds in our sky. So today what we're going to do is take some oval paper and create a balloon dog on our picture. So you're going to get a few different papers today. You're going to get these two sheets because we're going to need 7 different ovals and an oval, a small oval, and a triangle for the nose and the tail. And then you're also going to have a bowl that has pastels in it. We'll have orange for our orange dog, white, and black. So the very first thing that we're going to need to do is cut our shapes out. So remember, when we use our scissors, the small hole is for our thumb and the bigger hole is for the rest of our fingers. And when we cut, we want to make sure that our thumb is on the top towards the ceiling and we're not cutting sideways or upside down like this. So thumb always on the top. Make sure to take your time to do your best on the cutting. So you're going to cut on the black line on all of your shapes until they're all cut out. I'll give you some good time to make sure you have that all done. And you will have some scrap paper, and I will also give you an extra little bowl so you can put all of your trash in that so we don't have it all over the floor. Once we have all of our shapes cut out, we need to put them together. So when we put glue on our paper today, we're going to put our glue on our dog pieces. So the first part that we're going to glue down is the dog's body. When I put glue on my shape, I want to make sure it's all over and that I also don't roll up my glue all the way. And we're going to put the dog body in the middle of our paper. The next ovals that we're going to do are going to be for the dog's legs. So we want to put an oval here. And as you can see, it's kind of at an angle, like the dog is maybe walking or running. So we need 2 ovals for the legs. And after we have the legs, we're going to do the head next. So we'll need to put the neck going up like this. And then we need one for the snout, which is where the dog's nose goes. We need an oval for the ear. And then the last oval that we have is for the dog tail. Okay, so now we should have 7 ovals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last little pieces that you have are going to be the triangle for the dog nose. These are really small, so just be careful for the dog nose. And then we also need one on the oval on the tail. Okay, and then the last detail we need to add are just some details with our pastels. So we want to make it look like the balloon dog is round. So to do that, we're going to use our white pastel for our highlight where the sun would be shining. So we're going to do that on the top part of our balloon pieces. So one side is going to be white on all of your ovals. And the other side, we're going to put our colored shadow. So you're also going to have an orange pastel, and we're just going to put that on the other side of our oval, just so it starts to look like our oval is round like a balloon would be. And if you break your pastel like I just did, that's okay. Just put both pieces back in the bowl. Okay, and now we have our balloon dog.